Hello, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do share this video. I will not tolerate disrespect. Why Msamseleku is only buying cars, luxurious cars for wives who support him. Msamseleku and his wife had a heated family meeting on the previous episode of Utando Tembu, where he basically told them that he would no longer accept a disrespect from any of them, you guys. Now, the reality show which documents his polygamous lifestyle with his four wives, Ubusisiwe Mseleku, who is the first wife, Nukukanya Mseleku, the second wife, of course, Tobile Veronica Mseleku is the third wife, and Umbali Precious Mseleku is the fourth wife, has been a popular favorite from Zanzi viewers. Now, in a previous season of the show, Mseleku was documented buying luxurious cars for all his four wives, affirming his beliefs that all wives in a polygamous marriage should be treated equally, you guys. Speaking in a meeting he held with all his wives, he said he is now re-evaluating how he will reward his wives. He said some of his wives are deliberately disrespecting him because nothing is going to happen to them. So he gave reasons as to why some of his wives will not be getting another luxury car. He said they now have to earn it. He said, and I quote, I might not buy everyone the same cars in the future, and I don't want anyone to blame me for that or blame the person who will have a better car. They must check if they gave me the same respect and support. Umusam Seloku said, you guys, well, there you have it. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. And of course, do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Also, make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people, you guys. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye.